Hello, and thank you for watching my demonstration on how to use ReadMe.123 Generator that I created. Before we get started, first you'll want to make sure that you have downloaded Markdown Preview Extension by Yi Wang. This will allow you to preview your ReadMe as soon as your file has been generated. So to start, you will go down to your terminal that you've opened your file folder, type node index.js. This will initiate the sequence to begin the prompts that you will see here below following the questions necessary to complete a README. For this demonstration, I will be making a README file for this actual ReadMe.123 generator, if that isn't confusing enough, and how I would answer the questions for my code here. So what is the title of this project? It is ReadMe 123 generator, and then I'm going to hit enter. You'll see that it turns blue and it has been entered, and it goes on to the next question. What is a short description of your project? Let's say something like a Node.js file that prompts you with the questions necessary to complete a README file quickly and easily. Great. Enter. And then for the next portion, it's asking me to please choose a license. I go through by toggling on my arrows, and I make a selection like MIT, which is the most common license out there. I go ahead and hit enter. It makes that selection. Here it's asking me for an input of what is my GitHub username, which would be JP Creative Works. Enter. What is your installation instructions? I would probably put something like type node file.js into your terminal and complete the questions about your program to create a README file. Okay, and then I'm going to hit enter. Then next it's asking me what are my testing requirements? I would say none. And then it's asking me for my email. So I put jp.graphics011@gmail.com. And I hit enter. And then who are my contributors? I actually used image.shield.io/badge for a little thing for the license portion. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And then what is the usage? I'm setting this to free. Lastly, it's asking me what needs to be installed. Like I said earlier, you're going to want to, and it also gives you some instructions here, but you're going to want to hit Node. You're going to need inquire.js installed. You're going to want Markdown Preview VSC extension installed, and you're also going to want Visual Studio Code installed to wrap this all up. And you hit enter. It's going to console log those choices that you made, and also let you know that your file has successfully been created. If we go over to this README right here, and I pull this down, and I go ahead and right click, you go down to Mark Preview Enhance, open preview on the side, or you can just simply hit Command KV. This will bring up your README that you just created, title ReadMe123 Generator with all of our information. There's that little badge that I used for the license within this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to my email. Otherwise, keep looking out for new and great things by JP Creative Works. Thank you. Have a great day.